We're going to build a whiteboard only activity. To do that, click on create an activity, and then you click on, you get it, give it another title. And then you're going to build a whiteboard only activity. Is the second one. It works just like the whiteboard record, but this time when I go in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, my problem back here, I'm going to take the screenshot. And like I said before, it copies right to your clipboard. I'm going to just press Control V to paste it in there. There it is, ready to go. Again, if I want to record my audio, I can record it. Find 32 plus 49. Add to my whiteboard. A little purple icon will pop up when it is ready. Move that right next to the question here so that people know what it is. And I'm going to click done. You can see my question will pop up here. I'll go and turn off my tools that I don't want and click save. And then I'm going to generate the success criteria, pick math and lower elementary and click generate. Just going to take a few seconds here to look at the problem. The AI will decide what the success criteria is by naming the prompt and then determining the solution for that prompt. Just like that. So let's say that this is the way I want to do it. You can say, okay, I got 32 and 49. All right, so maybe I take here, okay. So looks they want me to take that 9 away, right? Because 40 and 49, so I can go 32 and 40, and then 72 and 9. So let's say there are different solutions I want to include here, right? Let's say I want to say, okay, I might go, or, 32 equals 30 plus 2, 49 plus 30 equals 79, and 79 plus 2 equals 81. So I can add additional solutions here. Click confirm. When I'm done, again, I get another chance here if I want to read it one more time and look for anything I missed. I can always add. These are live boxes. I can add in here more options. Again, if you missed this part, go back and watch the whiteboard record video. But you can always change this and override this. It's set to a default language for students, whatever their profile is set to. But you can override that. I can try it as a student. Click on this button. And I can start my response. There it goes. And so again, the biggest difference here is you can see there's no record here at the bottom. So it just says end review. Now, because it just says end review, what I have to do is I just have to solve this problem. So I can do this is 30 plus 2. Oh, sorry. Ooh, it wanted me to break up that one. Well, what are you going to do? So I guess I got to do it their way. Let's see. 49. So I would do the 40 plus the 9. And then, you say, okay, well, the 32 plus the 40 is the 72 plus the 9 is the 81. And then I just click end. But what you realize here, or what you see, is that you don't get the voice, the explanation of the thinking, right? You only will get a right or wrong answer here. And so it does change the type of feedback that you can give kids and that kids can give that kids can get from the AI. Okay, and that is how you set up and use a whiteboard only activity. These could be, you want to stick to like one problem per. That's kind of the way it works. When you're done, you just click assign, and then pick a class, click next, turn on your coach if you want it, any other features you'd like, and then click assign, and it's ready to go.